Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static rise strap, and a clean flat workspace. First, power off your HP Pavilion 15-50 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage during this process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically DS screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the center of the motherboard. If you're upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module outward. The RAM should pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure the notch on the RAM matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've completed the upgrade and cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Now, flip your laptop back over and reconnect it to the power source. Power it on and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup. Use Alt, DS, or SS key. Check the system information to confirm that the new RAM is recognized. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what your laptop needs before proceeding with any repairs. Once you've confirmed the RAM upgrade is successful, you can boot into your operating system. Enjoy the improved performance and speed of your HP Pavilion 15-450. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront without any surprises. Happy computing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.